Yeah, I'm going to make an intro about our video, me and Søren and Mikkel. Our topic in English is food, and that's why we made a video about making our own dish without a recipe. And we used pasta, and we used bacon, and we used some cream. And the first thing we did was to make the pasta, and then we cooked the bacon, and then we put the cream in, and then we spiced it with salt and pepper, and then they ate it. That's all about our video, actually. It's very good. They are some very good cooks.
Good morning, my lovely class. This is going to be a grand slam action because we're making this delicious food without any recipe. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Which thing are we going to use, Mikkel?
We'll use bacon, pasta, and cream.
Yes. And we are going to cook it all in the same pot without any recipe. Yes.
I will cut it. So in this cook, we need bacon in cubes, not a slice.
3 minutes, then the pasta is finished for the lovely menu.
Fry the bacon in the pot. It looks tasty.
It tastes shitty.
Finish.
Take one of the pastas to see if they are finished, so we can take the water from it.
Nice. Take the water.
Yes, I'm going to. We're taking this way to the hand wash and slowly take the water from it
Ooh, it's hot.
out of the pot. Yes. This is nice. I think it's there. Yes.
Are the pasta finished now, sir?
Yes, it is. And when the bacon is finished with frying, then we are going to put the pasta in this pot with the cream. Yes.
Yes, now I'm gonna penetrate the bacon. It's too big. Now we're gonna need small bacon. Yes, I think it's done in a few minutes. The bacon is done, and now we'll take it pasta and put it over in the pot.
Not all of it, Mikkel. Okay,
It tastes really good.
when you have put the pasta in it, we have to use this cream in it also, because it's very good for your health and your stomach. You just flip it in there
I mix it. Yes.
with this. All of it. Now we're going to see what it tastes like in a minute.
You taste it all. Yeah. Oh, son, it's look tasty,
Yes, Mikkel.
but we're not finished.
No, we have to put some salt and some pepper in it with some other ingredients to make it more warm in the taste. Here, we have some pepper. Just going to mix it down in the pot. All of it, not too much, then it's going to be not the good taste. No, not good taste. No good taste. Then we're taking some salt. Too much salt. Only a little small. The rest we are going to throw out because it was too much.
Ooh, it's good.
We're sitting here eating our delicious food.
We are done. It was easy.
It is tasting very good with the bacon and the cream.
Pasta.
Yes. So I think it was all that we had for you today. Thank you for watching this
Movie.
episode of My Epic Kitchen. See you.